In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pop-ups in Unbounce. Pop-ups are a powerful way to capture attention, grow your email list, and highlight timely offers. Let's start by accessing the feature. Log into your Unbounce account, then head to the main menu and open Pop-ups and Sticky Bars. This is your hub for creating and managing everything related to pop-ups. Click Create New, choose Pop-up as the content type, and pick a template that matches your goal, or start from a blank canvas if you prefer full control. Give your pop-up a clear name so you can find it later, then select Start with this template to open the builder. In the drag-and-drop editor, design your pop-up just like a mini landing page. Add text, images, buttons, or a form. If your goal is to capture leads, make sure you drag in a form widget and configure the fields you need. Keep it short. Asking for fewer fields often increases conversions. Customize the styling so it fits your brand, and don't forget to check the mobile view so it looks great on smaller screens. Next, set what happens after a form is submitted. Click the form, open the confirmation tab on the right, and choose the action. You can show a success message right in the pop-up or send people to a thank you URL for deeper follow-up and tracking. Either way, make it clear what happens next. Now decide when your pop-up appears. In the trigger panel, choose the condition that fits your strategy. On arrival to show it immediately, after a delay to wait a set number of seconds, on scroll to fire after a certain percentage of the page is viewed, on click to open it from a link or button using a custom class, or on exit to catch visitors as they move to close or leave the page. Pick one that balances visibility with a good user experience. Specify where it appears with URL targeting. You can target a specific Unbounce landing page, a particular domain or subdomain pattern, such as pages, yourdomain.com, or even all pages on a domain. Use this to align the pop-up with the right audience and context. Control how often it shows in the frequency panel. Options like once per visit or once per day help prevent fatigue and respect returning visitors. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish from the overview screen. Be sure to save your work in the editor as well. Give it a moment to propagate, then visit your targeted pages and test the trigger, form, and confirmation flow. You're all set.